Replacing the OEM M3 steering wheel. This is the 2013 e9x. So you gotta remove these panels. Definitely unplug the battery first before we start. 10mm right there, flathead, pry that out. Here's the aftermarket steering wheel. There are holes or indentations right around the back right there. Just poke it through and that will hit that trigger to release the airbag. Okay. You gotta really press it in. Alright, so now that we got this out, it looks like that in there. Want to be careful with the wires. So like I was saying, this is what it looks like when you go in through here. You're just trying to press that in. You see? Very easy. Be easy with it. Okay. Very easy. That's what it looks like. Airbag is out. Okay, so you just want to use the flathead. Press down on this to push it out. Same with this. Now, the next thing is to remove this bolt, 16mm. Very easy. All right. Right there. It lines up, all right? All right. Let's connect it back in. That should be good. I'll just reconnect the battery. And we're all done. First time doing the steering wheel, and it was pretty easy. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment below.